Well, hello there, I'm ready from your dinner, and welcome to a new episode. Today we are making fruit gummies from real fruit. This is super fun to make with the kids or for yourself. But the only thing to keep in mind is if you make this for really small children, you should skip the honey. Any other way you can just tweak the recipe to your liking. So, let's start. You can use powdered gelatin or gelatin in the form of leaves, like I do. If you use leaves, soak them in some cold water for at least 5 minutes. Grab a pan and add your frozen or fresh fruit of choice. I had some blueberries laying around, so I used those. Add a small amount of water to help the fruit breaking up. You can add a tablespoon or two of honey at this point. It depends if you like the sweetness. Here is the mold I use. You can use any shape, but the only important thing is that the mold is made of silicone, so the candies won't stick. When the fruit is thickened up, remove the gelatin from the water and squeeze out as much excess water as possible. Add them to the fruit and stir it around until the gelatin is dissolved. Add the mixture to another container, one that is higher. Now get in with your hand mixer and blitz everything together until smooth. You can also put it in a blender if you don't have a hand mixer. Now fill the molds carefully. If you have big air bubbles like I have, just pop them with a fork or a wooden skewer. Place the mold in the fridge and let it set for at least 1 hour. Enough time to have a little nap with your favorite stuffed animal. Now get the candies out of the mold. They look great and I especially like the hexagon with all the details. Which one do you like the most? And that's it. Enjoy! And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what recipe you want to see next. Hit the like and the subscribe button if you like this video. And of course, I see you in the next one.